Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we're working on our Brocade red BMW E34 540. What we'll be doing is building up the front legs, getting ready to lower on adjustable SPAC suspension. But before, I'm going to ask my subscribers, anybody watching this, a question. I'm going to be reconditioning my style 18 wheels with my new monochrome. I painted home in monochrome. I'm going to get them professionally done, and I'm going to ask you give a colour. M5 E39 monochrome, or just chrome, bling bling. But I just want to know what you'd do if that was your E34, what you'd do, in your opinion, chrome or monochrome. Because, like I said, I'm going to try and build a community here. Reach out to us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, and hashtag us and stuff on Twitter. Because I'm trying to get a community, me and Dan trying to get a community of E34 people talking, we're sharing contents, you enjoying it, and all that good stuff. So we've got our Cortex top mounts from Euro Car Parts. Nice and new. Two of them. We've got some front and back bum stops. And we've got SPAC adjustable suspension. So let's start building up the front shocks. Canary, Dacky yellow, they look quite cool. They've been painted a bit now, and there's some big poop on there. But overall, when been washed down and on the car, I think they're going to look great. And the MOT is going to be thinking, that's clean. Tell me, the power span come. I wonder what this could be. But this is, let's rip them open and see what's in here. Yay! How good am I? Butler-HQ official stickers. So, we've cut the bum stop down, took about an inch of it off.
About an inch.
About an inch here. Now we've got to cut the back ones down.
Well,
Done. The shock leg.
well, not
Insert, whatever it's called.
A little
With
bit.
a bit of oil.
Just
It helps dispense
the
V8, so it stops here. Insert from rust.
Yeah. Sorted.
Ooh, hole. We've got a shiny
SPAC
Krypton adjustable suspension.
Krypton. Superman.
You just sound like something from Batman, don't you?
Well,
Krypton.
Superman.
Or Superman. I ain't to Marvel.
Yeah. Flipping Superman.
Going to something your dad knows more about action figurines than you do. Oh, that's in. Just protector off. Actually, getting around to putting the suspension on BOUDICA. Hopefully it's going to make a difference in the driving. I do like a sporty driver. I always drive good, but the springs, last time I took it out, snapped. So it really needed this. How cool does that look? Nothing like shiny parts. A little bit of grease on the collar nuts. Bang on. Like so. Now, I'm hoping when it's all locked up, there shouldn't be no play. But I was assured that this was the right collar nut for the worry pop.
That's what we were
That's looking
assured.
serious now.
We were assured, and it is, yeah.
There's got to be a wobble, no wobbling man, is there?
No wobble, no.
That's
Tight!
if you've got a right tool, you get two prongs in there and you do it. If you're out, you get your Stilsons and you do a collar up with a Stilsons. Now just be careful when you're doing this. If you start to damage the actual shaft, you're just going to kill your shock, basically. So extra careful. And remember, tighten these up. They've got to be tight, but remember you've got to take them off again. The dust cover on. Talk about low. My dad's limbo trophy was stolen last night. How low can he go? Dad joke for a trot at him. Cover.
Pads, seating pads for the suspension.
That's it.
Seating
You got there
pads.
first.
Yeah, I did. Seating pads.
Part numbers will be low with a new rubber pad. Remember, the finished one goes to the bottom, show you one part.
Yeah.
And the fat one
Is the top.
the top.
The top seat.
Now it's time to put the spring on. Just check, because I'm sure if you buy L-back, is it A-back? I-back, L-back, I-back. Them sided, I think.
Yeah.
But that is
No,
no, it's not sided. So yeah, I've got it. Yeah, I've got it. Yeah. And Matt is like that. Whoa. That looks sexual. Does that look sexual? Looks sexual. It's a dangerous time. It's life or death. We've got to tension the springs up to fit the top part of the assembly, which is the top mount. So this is the most dangerous part of doing different parts.
Concentration is
Concentration. If you watched my video before when I took these apart, I did say be careful, but about a minute later it all went kabang. So check that video up there, and I nearly had my face took off. So this is the second strut we've done, but we've got to do the other one again because it's been a right pain in my bum. I am not kidding. But we have jumped a bit, but we're going to jump back in a minute and we're going to show you the putting together of the other spring from where we left off.
It's going to be lower, you know.
Yeah, it's going to be low. Lower than the slappers standards on a Saturday night, male or female. But yeah, we sort of got rid of that gap now. So yeah, we don't get right always first time, but we always get right in the end.
And also, before you start flipping messing with the Spax kit here, make sure you've got a sleeve, because otherwise you'll be chasing your flipping tail.
And I didn't say it didn't come with our kit. It might come with your kit, but it did come with our kit. We have to make our own sleeve from a from billeted alloy, which we removed from our old trolley jack that was no longer required. We drilled it out and all that, and it fits. So stick around and we'll catch up to where we was before. But yeah, we're losing lots a bit now, but we have compressed the spring. Because it's really dangerous. When you like trying to be your nan or your mum, but just be careful when you're messing with springs, especially when they're compressed. When your back was to slip and your face a bit close to it, you know, could hurt your face. Oh, Pop, hold it, go on.
Oh.
So, a little bit more chilled out now, Pop.
A bit, yeah.
I mean, for like 2-3 days we've been, so we had to do what Butler-HQ does and improvise a little bit and make our own spacer. It fits nice now. Like I say, I'm not saying, but you should do this though, because it's up to you. But it works for us, and we're going to see no danger in using a spacer at the top. It works for us. I say you should, if you buy this and you ain't got a spacer, you should spacer it yourself. That's your provocative if you want to do it or not, but we have, and it fits. And keep watching this channel, you can see if that was the right thing to do or the wrong thing to do. But at this moment, after 2 days of messing about, we think it's the right thing to do.
We do.
So yeah, we're going to put that bit on, this bit we had before. That's got to go on.
The seat.
The seat.
I'm going to put spacer. Hopefully it's reamed enough for it to go on, but if not...
Is it reamed?
It is, but...
Oh, it needs more reaming.
Oh, isn't it more right?
So we've got a light on. It's quite dark now.
Yeah.
But we're going to persevere so we can get the front on tomorrow. So that's the plan. So we've got that first, which is the new bush what was missing.
The spacer.
A spacer, yeah.
The spacer, nor a brush,
but, yeah,
spacer.
If you'd been messing about with these
spacer, allocator.
Yeah. Even Dad's a bit drained. Yeah. Right, that goes there. That's your spring seat been putting on. Now, like I said, we say our tutorial word for word thing. It's just what we're doing to BOUDICA, BMW E34 540 automatic. So
spacer.
Back. Spacer.
Now
that is
seal.
A bearing seal, so make sure that's lipped upwards like that.
Yep.
Then we need the bearing. I'm holding that part.
That. Oops. We need the hats on it. Sorted. Like so.
And you can do the see the problem we was having before. It was just the nut would bottom out before it was seated
on the pin.
On the pin up there. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on with it. Now this is the hard part where we have to hold the insert and all that, so I'm gonna cut off and I'll talk to you when it's done. Now it's time to remove the spring compressors. This is quite sketchy as well. Is that light in your eyes, Pa?
That's alright, and I'm happy.
And I am.
Fucking hell.
That's the one. This one earlier.
Flipping saga's over, right?
Yeah, we've got the back ones for you. And like I said, if you're interested in the back one, will be a video linked in the end screen of this one. Like I said, these are tutorial videos and just what you do to a car. Loads of people have done how to change the suspension on an E34. There's no point clogging everything up with stuff that people have already done, and I'm going to rank higher than me anyway. So these are just what we're doing. I'm going to have a nice video once it's lowered. There will be a video like us lowering and stuff, but it's not going to be like step by step. It's just going to be like a video to document what we do to BOUDICA, like we do with the Golden Nugget and TBL, which TBL hasn't had no fresh content on this channel yet, because we've never had her actually out since we started this channel, Ripper.
No.
There's been a way having bodywork.
Been
so
in hibernation.
And for you aware, when we refer to TBL, it's our black 540 genuine 6-speed manual that we saved from
extinction.
We had to have loads of welding done.
I think Mark II Escort, bad.
Or Titanic, bad. So that's top loose.
Nice and solid.
Nice and solid, like I said. We're going to be raising adjustable, and they are like, I got the biggest hands in the world, and that's how much spring we've got. We painted these yellow ourselves. There's a video on our channel about us painting them. I think it looks nice. It still might need a bit touching up. Whoa, that is as bad as I thought it was going to be. Again, oh, where's that? Yeah, specs. Blah blah blah. Front. Oh yeah. Okay. The way we've done it was, some people put a washer around here to put a problem, but the main problem with having a washer around here is that don't move. So we've ability to spacer underneath there, and that lifts it up so you can clear it out. And like I'm saying, I'm not saying you should do this to your car or advising anybody else to do this. I think it's acceptable. I don't have a car. Dad thinks it's acceptable. He's been driving the car, and that's the only way we could really think of getting it fitted.
Well, yeah, really. And if any person from Spax is watching this, if you don't put that flipping spacer in, then you should do.
You really should.
You flipping really should.
We had to buy a new top mount. We've literally brought the whole strut assembly over the space for the last 2 days, and nothing worked. The only thing we work is billeting a bit of alloy ourselves, spacing it out, and doing it that way. That's the only way we could think of doing it. So that's how we've done it. So I'd like to say, from Butler-HQ, until next time,
Bye bye.
watch our end screams for part 2 of the back shocks. And watch that one, and you'll be able to see her what she's like loud on the floor.